Hello there, beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to fix the product has inventory. However, it shows up as sold out. So if you add inventory to a product and it still shows up as sold out on your Shopify store, in this video, I will show you how to fix that by following along 5 adjustments. And I promise you, once you follow along with this video, I guarantee you will fix the problem. And this is the last video you watch about this. Without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. If you're in Shopify dashboard, the first thing we're going to check is the setting. So at the bottom left corner right here, where you see settings, simply click on it and search using the search bar for locations, and you will see this option called locations. There is many options in here. Make sure you access this one. So click on locations and you will see the warehouses or the locations where you fulfill or provide inventory to your product. So make sure you click on the one that you actually active working on, click on it, and you will see this option here, and make sure this option, which is fulfillment, is enabled for this particular location. Otherwise, the product, any product you add inventory from this location will show up as sold out if you don't have fulfillment open. And the next thing we're going to check is the shipping. And we are on the same page. As you can see, it says shipping here and it's off. So if it says off here, that's the problem. So make sure you click on shipping, even if it says an off, and make sure you click on general profile. Then make sure there is a profile here for the products, for the warehouses or locations you added. As you can see, it says not fulfilling from the both locations. So click on start shipping and add the shipping rates and the profiles based on your business. Now I already covered this in one of my previous videos, so I won't do that in this video. Make sure to check out the channel if you want to. Now the third thing we will check is the market. So close this page and access on the left menu right here where it says market. This one it says market. Click on it and you will see the markets you have on your Shopify store. So basically, if you are from a market that it's not created here, all the products will show up as sold out. So make sure you create a market, and once you do, it's for the customers you want actually to buy your product, and make sure it's active here. As you can see, either draft or active, make sure it's active. And the next thing you're going to do is the catalogs. So make sure the catalogs for this specific market has the product that you actually sell. Usually it will show up here with it says all products. If it says all products and this one is active and it's for the market that you actually sell in, then with this step you are good. So there is nothing else to adjust here. Now the next thing we're going to check is the product itself. So navigate to product from the menu here, click on products and access your product. Basically, let me access this one for example, and scroll down. And in here, we're going to click on one of the variants. And no worries, once you click on one of the variants, it will open up this page and it will show you all the variants for all products. And in here, make sure it says inventory track. And once this option is available, make sure to check out the location here and make sure the available ones are not 0. So the available inventory for that product is not basically 0. However, if the sync is off and it's not really working properly, especially if you're using third-party applications for the inventory, then I think this option will help you out, which is continue selling when out of stock. But make sure you play with this carefully. This is the last measure you might want to take. However, if you actually have too many products, you can click on inventory from here, from the left menu, and you will do the same trick. You will do the same. However, you will do them actually in bulk. So you don't have to select, like for example, if you click on select, click on select all in store, so it will select all the product. You can click on bulk edit and you can check here in case this option is not available. You can click on the columns and scroll down a little bit and you will see this option right here. It says track quantity. Make sure it's enabled and it will show you the option, the column here for all the product, and simply scroll down. In case a product here that's not actually enabled for tracking, just add one and click on this square, blue square, and drag down, and all of them, they will be enabled. You don't have to click on each one separate. And the last thing we will check here is on the product page. So get back in here, exit from there. Let me leave. Actually, I don't need these changes. So I'm gonna get back to the same product I accessed, and make sure to check out this publishing option right here and make sure it says online store. So even if the product is online store doesn't show up here for the publishing, it means the product, even if you add inventory, everything is good, it will show as sold out. And this is the last one, and I think you already fixed the problem, right? If you don't, make sure to drop me a comment below. I will be happy to help you all. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.